still on the street here. I tell you, yes, so hey, okay, don't load the music. Load the music. Thank you. Cool out down first. Yeah. All right, you're still on the Wazobia TV. Street yarns. Different opinions you're gonna hear for street yarns. Different questions you're gonna hear for street yarns. With MC Shaggy, make it not touch the die. Once again, I did for the street. So many things I did. I don't see me with different attires, but this one, another episode. Watch out. If you don't date girl for how many years? 4 years, 5 years, 20 years. You just did. One day night you get mess for your front. Tell us how your reaction will be. Tell us how your reactions will be. If your girlfriend or fiancé, anybody mess for your front, tell us how your reactions will be. And then you so look we enter street, go hear different opinion. And I tell you, no. Your wife mess for your front. See one kind mess for you. What you go do?
There's nothing I can do now to accept it now.
You go accept her like that?
It's my wife.
You go tolerate her?
Yes, now. No.
Alright, you're still on the matter. I tell him. Okay, how far now? I don't say you did can't pay. So, now you what you go do?
Nothing I go do now. I left my wife.
You're TMS.
Wow! I go there to look am. I just start say, madam, I'm not going to do this kind of thing again. No.
You don't give her your own back?
No. The thing, unless you come at that time, I just.
But you remember say 1-1 na draw?
Yeah, now, sure now. 0-0 na draw.
0-0
Na draw.
Still on the matter, 0-0 na waiting, na draw. Oh, boy.
I go run.
You go take off.
Yes.
Once I do the to myself, you know the smell.
Yes, no.
He said what he said she go take off. Babe, how far? Hey, yeah, sorry. It looks so. Man, we'll just ask one question. Yeah, one question. No, we are as they stand now for the answer for don't go see so. As you know, now one question. As you now, should be get boyfriend.
Yeah.
Get boyfriend. If you deal with your boyfriend, just see one better mess for your front. What you go do? What you go do?
I will leave the place.
You go leave the place. Yeah. You don't love her to tolerate her. You know if you tolerate mess. So you fear mess like that. Thank you very much. Still on the straight yards, Wazobia TV. MC Shaggy says so. Don't touch your dad.
She mess. I go because I love her. I go bear her.
You go bear her.
Yes.
You just stay and do that.
Even though they smell self now. Now wait till I don't go before now. No wahala. Now love. All of this part of love. Yes.
Now love. Don't do anything. We tolerate her.
Yes.
We enjoy and they go.
Yeah. I like her now.
Your girlfriend just did. Come fear better mess for your front. What you go do? What you go do?
Hey! Oh my God! Guy, I go verse.
You go verse?
I go verse.
You go verse say your girlfriend mess for your front?
Yes.
But you don't like her?
I don't like her.
You know the mess?
I don't know the mess, but actually I know the mess we are talking about.
Jump again. Madam, I just ask you one question. As you dey like this, you just stay with your husband. Now they enjoying ourselves. Now don't cook food for ground. Anybody when they have to answer me, okay. I don't cook food for ground. I don't prepare the food down small time. I want better mess come up for your husband, yeah. And what you go do? As you go here, what you go do?
I go vex, but since say na my husband, I will take am like that because me say now sometimes I go mess now. We go count am 1-0.
Go count am 1-0.
1-0. If I tell you go be 1-1. We dey do am go like that.
1-1. Akasha. How many you get?
Then there are 5.
There is 5.
Yeah.
You are a wicked man.
Why now?
You are a wicked person.
Why?
But leave that matter, Sha. As you do like this, if those 5 girls they just sit down together, those 5 girls they just sit down. They call the men differently. What you go do?
I go run now.
Go your run. You reach to run because 5 people mess the same like time bomb. But if the only one day with you, what you go do?
That's Mindela.
You go maintain her.
I do.
You enjoy it. No wonder that mess me the fat like this. Hello, sweetheart.
It's a wonder.
You did funny, yeah.
I don't go do anything. As far as we work together, I eat the food. We go eat them.
As far as I work together, I eat the food.
We go eat them.
Tolerate them. I go eat them.
Well, if she release at least one kind mess, I will say that wow, yeah, why they mess like this now?
I go endure them now.
You go endure them. Your name could be endurance that moment.
But
give me a high five, it's too much. I go endure them. The guy in a Iron Man. Fresh, better food there. The mess come.
As far as I no go spoil the food. If the mess sometimes we go chop the food. If I love the food, if I love that mess, I will consider eat the food. But if I don't like the mess, I will
okay, mess they get the prayer angle.
Get the prayer angle.
Get where they come with poor. Down and knock out too.
I go just wrong.
You're wrong.
That's I don't lost my appetite. I wish I go just tell her.
Yes, when I don't hear them, she say anyhow they go tolerate each other. So many people with different ideas, different opinions. My brother, if you just come, if you just tune in the station, so now Wazobia TV, not touch the die. Straight hands with MC Shaggy. Make you not make if you touch. If you touch the die, nothing I go do, sure, but just I beg the wash, I beg.